Hey David, it's Max. Thanks for talking on the phone with me earlier and allowing me to send you this video. All I ask in return is just a little bit of feedback like we had spoke about. You can either reply to the email or give me a phone call at 850-838-6092. So that being said, let's jump right in. Typically I would have your website pulled up. However, I was not able to find your website. And the general gist of this video is to show you the three main things that you could do to your website in order to rank it in Google for select key terms that are being searched by your customers each month. And I know that these terms are being searched by your customers each month because I use this software called Ahrefs. And Ahrefs shows me that there's 440 searches for a tree service company in Arlington, Texas every month. And so because I don't know if you have a website or not, I'm just going to show you the three main things that your competitors are doing so that if you do end up building a website, then you can do these three things to outbeat them. So I chose Tree Hugger Tree Service, and the first thing is content on your homepage. And so if we copy everything that you see here, including the images and what they're saved as, and we throw it into this word counter, it shows me that they have 618 words on their homepage. And Google actually typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And the reason for that is Google looks at your website as a contributing factor to their platform. And so the bigger your website is, the bigger their platform gets. And then they can reward you by ranking you for what your content is relevant to. So if you had 1,500 to 2,000 words, you'd beat out your competitor, meet Google's standard, and then you could have these exact match keywords placed in there in a strategic way, and then you could start ranking for exactly what these 440 people are looking for. The second thing that I wanted to show you is backlinks, and really all a backlink is just one website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. And so I just copied their URL and I'm going to throw it into this Ahrefs. And this shows me the back end of their website. And it may look like they have a lot going on here, but in reality, they have 66 links coming from 19 websites. And that is a little bit spammy. You would want these to be as close to a ratio as possible of 1-to-1. And that's kind of why this rating right here is really low. This is a trust rating showing you how much Google trusts these links. And Google doesn't really trust the links because there's so many spammy links coming from just a few websites that it kind of just makes their back end not as healthy. As you can see right here, only 21% of the links are actually passing power. So just so that you can kind of have a visual of what the links are, it's just like this, where it goes to their home page. But if a quality link would have this link on a tree trimming blog post or a home improvement website, that's going to be really relevant and pass a lot better power that way. The third and final thing I wanted to show you was citations. And really all a citation is a business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, such as Yelp, BBB, or Facebook. Really just anywhere where you can get your name, address, and phone number together on a directory like it is on Google, then that's going to verify that you have a physical address and that you are a legit company and that you're not just another website out there on the internet. Once Google verifies that, then they can start ranking your Google My Business page in this map pack. And that's really important because these three get about 25% more clicks than these organic listings down here do. So of course 25% more clicks is 25% more calls, which is 25% more customers and business coming in each month. So that's all that I have for you today. I really hope that this was informative and helpful, David. Again, all I ask is just for a little bit of feedback. If you would either reply to this email or call me at 850-838-6092. So thanks for your time, David. Talk to you soon.